In today's video, you will learn 2 recipes of homemade natural bleaches to whiten your clothes. White clothes, besides being super basic and versatile, never go out of fashion, either as your work uniform or as a key item in your look. Whites are essential in any wardrobe. The problem with white clothes is that they are prone to staining, which only makes it even more obvious that they are dirty. Besides that, white clothes require some special care, or they end up getting yellow and grimy with time. If your white clothes are yellow or grimy, we will teach you how to make 2 natural bleaches to whiten them. And the best part is that these natural solutions whiten your clothes without any risk to your health and to the environment. Lemon juice. Lemon is a natural astringent that deeply cleanses your clothes, removing all dirt and making them whiter. In a big pot, put some water and a few lemon slices. Boil it for 15 to 20 minutes. Then transfer to a basin and let your clothes soak in it for an hour. Then wash them as usual. Another alternative is to mix a tablespoon of salt with the juice of 2 lemons and let your clothes soak for an hour. After that, wash your clothes as usual. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. White vinegar. White vinegar is not aggressive to fabrics and offers many benefits, such as removing dirt and stains, eliminating bacteria, softening the clothes, and giving them a clean smell. Did you know that white vinegar can be used as a substitute for fabric softener? No? Then watch this video to learn more about it. Add a cup of white vinegar when doing a washing cycle on your washing machine. If your clothes are stained on the armpits, neck, or other areas, apply vinegar directly over the spots and let it act for an hour before rinsing. Attention! Before using these homemade mixtures, always make sure that the clothes you are washing can take them. Some fabrics require specific care and might be damaged with the use of hydrogen peroxide or other products. Always read the washing instructions from the manufacturer. Do you have any tips to whiten clothes at home? Share them with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.